Okay, I just want to cook down these dates, and a little bit of water is gonna help me. My favorite, some butter, and a little bit of nutty and sweetness with my nutmeg. Perfect for my filling. Nice and sweet. And check this out, my dates have fully softened. We're ready to go. All right, I'm done with my filling. Now I'm gonna use some semolina, which is hard durum wheat. It's slightly nutty, kind of sweet, and when it cooks up, it kind of looks like a shortbread cookie. A little bit of flour, and some sugar, of course. And finally, my favorite, some butter. I'm gonna mix it just until my texture is nice and crumbly like a graham cracker. If you're ever making this dough, you wanna let it rest overnight so that the semolina can absorb all that butter. I'm really hungry and I wanna get started right away. So I've got some here. Look how dry it is. Check out that consistency. It's kind of like that brown sugar I was talking about. I'm gonna add some yeast to my dough that's already been activated. Check out all the bubbles. And some milk, because my mom always says, pour some milk in your Maamoul so it's nice and sticky. Grab some delicious date filling, put that in the center, and now I want to try to cover the entire filling. And I like to use some water to help pinch that dough closed. And Maamoul is served for special occasions, so we have to make a mold for it. You can pick these up at Middle Eastern stores, or if you've got a lot of dough, you can fly to Lebanon, pick one up, and come right back. And just so that my dough doesn't stick, I'm gonna oil up my mold. Bam. Check this out. How cool does that look? These are ready for the oven. This makes me so happy. Oh, wow, my mouth is watering. Look how beautiful these look. Check out that filling. This reminds me of the holidays. Ugh. Chewy, sweet. I love date filling. Oh. And it's nice and rich too from all that butter, and the pastry is nice and crumbly. And you know what goes perfect with this? Some Lebanese coffee, or as we like to call it, ahwe.